Fabrication of paper battery experiment. We just took some basic carbon, and I'm not sure if there's a graphene mix in there or a graphite mix in there or not, but we mixed it up with about 4 tablespoons of carbon powder that was processed through a food blender to powderize it, and then we added about an equal amount of distilled vinegar, and painted it on some index cards. We'll let it dry, fabricate a battery configuration, and then we'll use the electrolyte that they're using in the for the hydrogen cell generators as the electrolyte of the battery, and we'll see what kind of charge it'll accept, if it'll hold a charge. Try to operate some LED lights or even a small battery, but we'll see what we come up with. Basically, we'll attach a conductor plate with some simple cellophane tape and a piece of aluminum foil. Stack them up like battery plates. Stick the whole thing inside a baggie or a small Tupperware container, and then make the electrical connections. Tape and tin foil, for the positive and negative plates. We've only painted the index cards on one side, so the index card can act as a separator, and we'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the day. Cheers. Dual carbon battery update. Basically, the index cards are placed back to back, so there's no carbon between them. Carbon on the outside, carbon on the outside, just using tin foil. Pressure fit, got a brick on top of it. Electrode, anode are the aluminum foil, coming in direct contact with the carbon on the index cards. Put a single rotation or a couple rotations, charges up to about 8.8 volts, 0.7 volts, and it'll actually hold the charge for more than a few minutes. So next step is try to find a small LED and see if it'll light the LED, and then determine if it's worthwhile to fabricate multiple cells and connect them in a bigger configuration. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the day. Cheers. See, it's dropped down to 0.5, half a volt. So about 30 volts going into it. Zaps it up to about 0.8 for a while. 0.7. Obviously, there's better fabrication techniques, but that's without an electrolyte. The only way it's conducting is because the binder was white vinegar, and it's obviously conducting through the white vinegar between the two carbon plates, or carbon, I don't know what to call it, but carbon surfaces, I guess. But I'm surprised how well the carbon actually adhered to the paper. And you can see it comes off on your finger, but so we'll create some electrolyte using the baking soda and water or whatever that stuff is. I'm not sure if it's baking soda, but some kind of soda, powdered soda. I'm not a chemist, as you can tell, but yeah, it's kind of fascinating. It's something different, and we'll post results when available. Thanks for watching. Cheers.